Welcome to Bioratna. Those of you who are new to my channel can find my details in the description box. Let us start with today's topic, and today's topic is codominance. You have already studied the two different ways in which the pair of alleles they behave when they are of different types. Pair of alleles in an individual controlling a particular character, if they are different, that means for that character, if the individual is heterozygous, then what is the effect on the expression? You have studied two different ways of it. What is that? The first one which you have studied is the one is dominant and another is recessive. That means the dominant and recessive relationship. The second one studied by you is incomplete dominance. In case of this one, first one, only one is expressed and the other one is not expressed. In case of incomplete dominance, the trait is in between the two, intermediate to the two. That's why it is called incomplete dominance. And today we are going to study a third type, that is codominance. What happens in codominance is that co means both. Here the both alleles express themselves. दोनों ही अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं. One example is the ABO blood grouping in which this A and B, if they are together, then both are expressed. So A and B, these two, they show codominance. Let us first see what is this ABO type of blood grouping, how it is caused, and what is the gene for it. The ABO blood grouping is because of special structures, sugar chain, special structures present on RBC membrane, on the membrane of RBC. These chains are sugar chains. They are of two different types. These two different types of chains are called A and B. Then you might ask, what is this O blood grouping? When there is no sugar chain on the membrane of RBC, no sugar chain on the membrane of RBC, then it is called O blood group. Which gene is responsible for controlling this formation or non-formation of sugar chain on RBC membrane? This gene is called I gene. This is I gene for blood group A. This gene is written like this. Then for blood group B, it is IB. And for blood group O, it is small I. This is the gene I which causes formation of two different types of sugar chain on the membrane of RBC. Now let us see what different types of genotypes and phenotypes can be formed out of this. There are these 3 alleles. Do you know what does that mean? This is an example of multiple allele. You have studied that for each character there is a pair of allele. For blood group ABO, there are 3 alleles, but of course, in an individual, only one pair can be possible because the alleles are present on a pair of homologous chromosomes. So the other allele is in the population. दूसरे किसी individual में है, लेकिन एक individual में only one pair of allele is possible. That allele may be same or that allele may be different, but only one pair. So many MCQs you have already come across, na? Name of the gene, the number of the expressions, role of RBC in the formation of this blood grouping, then what is multiple allele, etc. Now let us see the possible genotype and phenotype. Remember that A and B, these two are codominant. Remember this one thing, A and B, they are codominant, whereas A and B, these both are dominant on O blood group. That means O is the recessive one which can express itself only in pure condition. So let us prepare a table for this. This is first allele from parent A. Fine. Next, allele from parent B. Next parent. Let us not use the terms A and B as it is there in the blood group. Let us use parent 1 and parent 2. So the genotype of offspring, this we will fill in this column, and at the end what is the type of blood group according to the genotype, which allele is going to express. So what will be the blood group type? Done. Now let us first start with A. First, from first parent, here let us put the serial number also, na? This is serial number 1. From first parent, it is IA. Let us write IA 3 times. Why? Because 3 different possibilities of combination is there, that from other parent also the allele is coming is IA, or it is IB, or it is I. Now similarly let us do it for B also. 4, 5, 6. If this is IB, we are writing it 3 times, and then here we are writing IA, IB and I. This is the very simple way. This table, it looks complicated, थोड़ा डर लगता है, but it is the simple way of doing it. पहले 3 बार IA लिख लीजिए, 3 बार IB लिख लीजिए, फिर the 3 different combinations ABI. Here also ABI. Then the last one, that is I, 7th. This is I. यहाँ पे small I ही लिखते हैं, capital I लिख के O नहीं लिखते हैं. Don't do this mistake, ना? So this is I. What is the different possibilities? The next one, now the other one also I. This much is written in NCERT. तो आप कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे, बोलोगे यहाँ भी 3 क्यों नहीं लिखे, यहाँ भी 3 लिखते हैं. लिख सकते हो, बिल्कुल बिंदास लिख सकते हो. बाद में जब समझ में आएगा कि लिखने की कोई ज़रूरत है नहीं, तब मत लिखना। अभी तो चलो लिख देते हैं और देख भी लेते हैं क्या हो रहा है। So here the three combinations, one is I with I with A and I with B. Now just combine these two, go on combining these two and you will get the genotype of the offspring. So this one will become, the first one, it is IA and IA. That means the blood group is A. Okay. Second, this is IA, IB. First let us write here IA and IB. Blood group क्या होगा? This is codominance. इसी को तो पढ़ रहे हैं तब से. Codominance. This codominance. So this blood group is AB. This is AI. Write first AI. Blood group is, yes, A. Next, IB, IA. A is written first, so we will write this is IA and IB. Blood group again is AB, the same like this one. Next, IB, IB. This is IB and IB. So this is blood group, both are B. This is blood group B. This is B and I. This is B and I. So the blood group is B, as B is dominant over O. Here it is both recessive are together. Small I. It will create the blood group O, in which there is no sugar chain on the RBC membrane. Main basic वहाँ RBC तक है, ये याद रखना है. Next is IA and IA, A and O. This is again A. This is I and B. So this is B and this one will be blood group B. Now the main task. ये देखते जाना है ये दो कॉलम और आपको बताना है how many types of genotypes and how many types of phenotypes are possible with these three alleles. थोड़ा सा पॉज लेके पहले खुद कैलकुलेट कर लीजिए, फिर वापस आइए, ठीक है? चलिए देखते हैं कितने तरह के जीनोटाइप है. दिस इज IA, दोनों A. सो दिस इज 1 और कहीं IA है और कहीं पे IA हो ही नहीं सकता है, IA नहीं है. सेकेंड वन IB. This is the second one is IA and IB और यहाँ पे है IB. ये इसको भी ले लिया हमने. This is also second number of genotype. थर्ड में आ जाइए. This is IA and I और कहीं है IAI. ये देखिए यहाँ मिल गया. So this is the third type. Done. अब उसके नीचे आइए IB. This is the fourth one. This is the fourth type. So this is IB और कहीं IB नहीं है. अब आइए IBI. This is the fifth one और कहीं है IBI. ये देखो यहाँ पे है. This is IBI. This is also present here. So this one is fifth. This one is also fifth. 5 हो गए. And this one, this both recessive alleles, this is the sixth one. This is the sixth one. So 6 types of genotypes are there. ये निकालने के लिए इतने देख के बस डर नहीं जाना है बच्चों. पहला पकड़ो, उसमें 1 लिख दो. सेम थिंग वेर एवर यू फाइंड, उसको फिर से 1 लिख देना है. ये IA एंड IB ये एक ही होता है, उसके लिए दूसरा खोजने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. देन यू कम टू दिस इज़ 1. देन यू कम टू द उसके नीचे वाले में आ जाइए. इधर उधर डर के मत देखिए. इस तरह से जब आप लिखते जाते हो, then you find that it is total 6 genotypes. So how many types of genotypes are there? There are 6 genotypes. ये आपका एक और MCQ निकल आया यहाँ. कौन से हैं ये 6 डिफरेंट टाइप के जीनोटाइप्स, उसको भी आप अलग से 1 2 3 4 जितने 6 है अलग से उसको लिख लीजिएगा. बट व्हाट इज द फिनोटाइप? जीनोटाइप 6 है, क्या फिनोटाइप कितने हैं? चलिए इसे भी उसी तरह से निकालते हैं. से दिस इज फर्स्ट ब्लड ग्रुप ए. तो ये हो गया आपका ब्लड ग्रुप ए. और कहीं है? यहाँ है. इसे भी 1 लगा दीजिए. यहाँ भी है, यहाँ भी 1 लगा दीजिए. डन. 1 इज फिनोटाइप ए. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन ए बी. 2 लिख लीजिए. इसको सर्कल किया था, इसको स्क्वायर बना देते हैं. ए बी और कहाँ है? हियर इट इज देयर, हियर इट इज. सो दिस इज 2. nowhere else it is present. चारों हो गए. 1 2 1 2. now come to the next one, third one. so इसमें ट्रायंगल लगा देते हैं. चलिए. so B 1 2 3. type B is here also, here also, here also. this is the phenotype B. then बचा कौन? ये 4th one. this is the O blood group. So, how many phenotypes are there? The phenotypes are 4. So, there are 4 phenotypes. 4 phenotypes. A, B, AB and O. A, B, AB and O. And 6 types of genotype. These are the different types of phenotype and genotype which are possible in ABO blood grouping. So now बहुत कुछ पढ़ लिया बच्चा आपने. एक आपने डोमिनेंट रेसेसिव वाला पैटर्न पढ़ लिया, एक आपने इनकम्प्लीट डोमिनेंस पढ़ लिया, और अब आपने ये थर्ड वाला को डोमिनेंस पढ़ लिया. हियर यू सी दैट in human blood group ABO you are not only just seeing codominance. A और B के बीच में codominance है. A and O, B and O उनके बीच में dominant और recessive का relationship है. So here you can, in ABO blood grouping you find both the dominant recessive pattern as well as codominance. Other than that, you have studied that ABO blood group is also a very good example of multiple alleles, where not 2 alleles but 3 alleles of blood group are present. Of course, in a single individual, only a pair of alleles are possible. This completes the codominance. Find link for the complete chapter Principle of Inheritance and Variation from the description box. They are very thorough notes and they are written the way they are written. There it is kept in mind how the questions are asked. Accordingly they are framed. Accordingly they are framed. So you will be definitely, it will be helpful to you. I hope all your concepts are clear. If you are new to the channel, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get all my notifications in time. Thank you for watching the video.